you want to be a reader or you're thinking of starting to read few of the novels, then I would literally recommend you to start with the basic books that everyone has read. And today I went to Mahila Heart, and this video is going to be all about what I bought from Mahila Heart. So let's just dive into the video. If you're thinking or if you're planning to come to Delhi, or if you're already in Delhi, basically if you're planning to visit to Mahila Heart, I would recommend you to use public transport, that is Delhi Metro, due to summer and everything. And also it is one of the most easiest and convenient transportation, public transport. So the nearest metro station to reach to Mahila Heart is Delhi Gate, and you have from there you have to make the exit from gate number 3, and after walking for like literally 2 to 5 minutes you can easily reach to Mahila Heart. And the Sunday market always open around like 9 and remains open till 5 p.m. somehow. It was my very first visit to Mahila Heart, and I loved the place. The problem was, the only problem that I had was this, that because of some political rally or something, the area was completely shut down, so I couldn't, the market was actually shut down. The first book that I bought is, you might have heard about it, and it's becoming more sensationalized and more viral on your YouTube shorts or reels. So you might have seen this book as well if you're a reader. So the first book that I bought is Gunaho Ka Devta by Dharmveer Bharti, and this book costed me for rupees 150. The second book, that is Days at the Marisaki bookshop, and you might have heard about it, and if you haven't, I would recommend you to start with reading this book. And I will finish all these books. I will be one by one, I will be making the review about the story and everything and how I liked it or not, and I would be recommending you on the basis of reading. So yeah, this is the second book that I bought, and it is also one of the most, I think, best selling books. And another book is of The Alchemist, and you might have heard this book and you might have purchased this book also. I know I'm very pretty much late to the race, but I just wanted to go through this, and I read this book while I was in class 10th or 11th by a friend. But I literally couldn't buy that book since that time, so this book was always on my list, and I wanted to reread this book, and I wanted to keep this book at my place, so I bought this book. And also another book is also very common book, that is The Secret, and also you might have literally read this book, so it's not that much of a new book. It's just a common book, and I would recommend everyone to go through this. And I haven't started reading this book yet, but once I will finish reading this book, then I will make a basically a review kind of thing. Another book is How to Stop Overthinking Forever by Ritvik Singh, and this book is also for rupees 100. What is very famous John Olia, and I really wanted to buy this book. It's been on my feed and it's been on my mind from quite a long time. I really wanted to put my hands up, and the first thing that I bought from Mahila Heart was this book only from the bookshop, and this was the very first book that I bought, and it also costed me for rupees 150. Another book that I bought is the very common and the very basic book, Atomic Habits, and everyone should read this book. Another, like everybody will suggest you to go through this book and read this. And once I will finish this book, I will tell you if it is able to, somehow help me when I laid my eyes on the bookshelf. So basically, this book was there, and I thought of, just buying it. So it's one of the most impulsive purchase that I did, and I know I have literally bought a lot of books. So this is the book, and this also costed me for rupees 100. Another book that I'm going to show you is Do It Today, and this is one of the book that I really wanted to read, and it has been recommended by my very good friend. So I would once I will start reading this book, and once I will finish it, I will tell you, did I like the book, what was the review, and is it like moreover like a repeated thing or not, or was it a good thing to buy or spend your money on. So I paid 100 rupees for this book as well. Is of Master Your Emotions, and this is also one of the book that I really wanted to read. The last book that I bought from Mahila Heart is this book, A Good Girl's Guide to Murder. This book has three part, and this is the first part that I bought. Once I will finish reading this book, I will buy another part as well. I didn't buy purchase all the parts yet. Reason being, well, sometimes you don't like the story that much, so it was waste to spend money on. But I hope this book gives me literally high hopes, and I want to buy this. I wanted to buy this book, so I bought this book for rupees 150. And another two books that I have and I ordered from Meesho. These are of It Ends With Us and It Starts With Us. I finished reading this. I also bought two notebooks from the market and it costed me for rupees 100 each. This is the first notebook and it's quite bulky, and it was, I think, one of the best purchases that I had. It is for just 100 rupees, and you can see the quality of the pages, and you can see the basically the width. So basically it was a good purchase. And another notebook, same 100 rupees. So this is so far has been the best purchase from Mahila Heart. Otherwise the other books that costed me was actually quite expensive, just because the market was shut. But if you're into bargaining and all, I would suggest you to bargain. I couldn't bargain even of 10 rupees on the books, and I literally spent around like 100 rupees, that is 1700 plus rupees for these books. And I don't think so it's a bad deal, since I have had these books and I'm going to read this book. I'm quite excited about it. And once I will finish reading this book, I will be making review videos, and I hope you like those videos. So yeah, if you want to follow this channel, please like and subscribe to the video and also to the channel. Now see you for the next time. Until bye.